Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change your library account PIN. First thing you have to do is open any browser and on the address bar type shera-acvet.ankabut.ac.ae and on the top right corner of the page click login. Here you have to enter your student ID number. For this video, I'm going to create a dummy account to guide you. The PIN is the same for everybody. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then click on login. And here's your library record. You should see your name here, the expiration date, and the books that you have checked out. So here is how you modify your PIN. So click on this, and then here you type the old PIN, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here, you have to type your new PIN. It should be minimum of 6 characters and maximum of 30. And it should be a combination of letter and number. Please remember there's no special characters. And then click submit button. And then you will see a confirmation text here that your PIN has been modified. Close window and then try to log out and then log in again to test if you have successfully changed your PIN. There you have it. Thank you and stay safe.